Let me see you twerk. Let me see you twerk, twerk. Let me see you twerk, twerk. Let me see you twerk. I walk up in the club, I see a white girl, black girl, thick girl, big girl, skinny girls. They give me head. They love J-Mo cause they know what I'm about. You better check my background. If you don't know who I am, I'm that boss nigga straight from the Chirac. You fuck nigga better get back cause you niggas don't want no smoke. I'm smoking on this loud while your bitch give me brain. And she twerking that pussy in my face. It smells so good. It smells like peaches. It smells like strawberries. It smells like lemonade. It's good, and every time I beat it up, she come back for more, cause she see J-Mo a ball. She see I got that long dick, stroke her and dick her down. Fuck niggas, man, don't be mad at me, you better get your money up, act like me, nigga. Fuck niggas, I won't no motherfucking smoke. I had Nicki Minaj doing my dick and had Rihanna give me hick and licking my balls. You niggas is hoes, y'all niggas fugazi. Y'all don't want no smoke. I'm posted in the club, got my young nigga, we smoking on the loud, and we see the fucking op. I had your bitch shoot you niggas in your fucking head. Don't fucking that makes to me, cause you niggas would die. I don't give a fuck, I'm a young nigga, I don't give a fuck. I'm gang banging on that 300 and that 500. Shout out to my niggas that put in dirt, who put in work. Free all my niggas.